It will be a pleasure to get crafty with our Honey Bunny Big, and we promise you that it cannot get softer than this. Honey Bunny Big is a jumbo velour yarn made of 100% polyester and the thicker version of our lovely Honey Bunny. Its texture is silky and smooth to the touch with a light sheen to it. This chenille yarn will be your best ally for your home decor projects such as cuddly pillow covers, blankets, and comfy poufs, as well as accessories like beanies, scarves, and headbands. Honey Bunny Big is OEKO TEX certified, and you can therefore use this yarn for small children with ease of mind. So unleash your creativity by creating clothing, teddies, and other snuggly animals for them. And here's a little pro tip. Tie a knot when you're starting and finishing your skein and carefully burn its ending to secure the loose fibers in your projects after weaving them in. One skein of Honey Bunny Big weighs 10.5 ounces, that's 300 grams, and the yarn length in this skein is 131 yards, that's 120 meters. The yarn weight is a jumbo, and we recommend machine washing it at 104 Fahrenheit, that is 40 degrees Celsius. Don't iron and dry it flat. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us what you dream of making with this gorgeous yarn, and we will see you guys in the next Behind the Yarn episode.